So here is the text, the open window, which is explained in brief. Must watch till the end. Today we are discussing one of your non-detailed study, the open window, which is written by Saki. Name of the author is Saki. So let me speak something about the author. Actually, the name of the author is Hector Hugh Munro, who was born in the year 1870 on 18th December and died in the year 1916 on 13th November. Better known by the pen name Saki, and the writer is better known as Saki. Saki भाବରେ से जनाशुना, and the full name of the person Hector Hugh Munro is an eminent English novelist and short story writer. जने English औपन्यासिक and a short story writer. His stories depict human behavior in interesting and playful situations and are remarkable for gentle humor and sparkling wit. माने the writer is capable of writing interesting things which is full of fun and comedy, and also he used to create gentle humor through his writing and ଜ୍ଞାନ ଦେବା ବା ଗୋଟେ ଜ୍ଞାନ ଗାରିମାର ଉଦାହରଣ ଦେବା in different writings. ବୁଝିଗଲା? So here is the text, the open window. From the title we came to know that how much interesting it must be, किभଳି भाବରେ interesting एटा ହେଇଥିବ से विषय आम जानिछु भल भाବରେ. So mark the title of the story and the dramatic opening. It is set in the drawing room, an upper class village house. The setting of the story is mentioned here. What is the how the dramatic opening is mentioned here, that it is set in the drawing room of an upper class village house. गोटे upper class village house रे इटा माने घटनाटी घटिची. It is set in someone's drawing room, जनकर drawing room रे हाला, which is situated in a village. Mr. Nuttall is received by a young girl of 15. So Mr. Nuttall is a person who is suffering from spinal disease. बुझिएला, गोटे रोगर से शिकार होती, and to get the treatment that person Mr. Nuttall has come to a village. गोटे village को से आसी, and he is received by a young girl of 15. That means he met at first a young girl of 15. 15 वर्षर गोटे बालिका को से भेटी. When he calls on her aunt, when she comes to know that the guest knows nothing about her aunt का विषय से किसी जानी नहीं. जो the person who has come to the village है to get the treatment, who was suffering from spinal disease, जे स्नायविक रोग रे गोटे शिकार है, से गोटे तार रोगर I am telling about that, I am coming to that actually. When he calls on her aunt, when she comes to know that, actually there are three characters here. Mr. Nuttall, who has come to the village to get the treatment, who is suffering from which disease? Spinal disease. बुझिएला? So someone suggested him to come to the village, and there he can get the treatment and he can feel well. भलो हो पारे से बोली जड़े पठेला टू अटेंड समवन, जन को भेटा और टू मीट समवन. बट ऑन द वे ऑफ हिज जर्नी एंड आफ्टर रीचिंग देयर एट द प्लेस, he met a 15 years of young girl. बुझिएला? a girl who was 15 years old. बुझिएला? and there her aunt lived. तार आंटी रोला से माने खुड़ी है, से बालिकार गोटे खुड़ी रोला से. बुझिएला? When she comes to know that the guest knows nothing, and the guest didn't know much about the aunt of the young girl, से झीर खुड़ी विषय से लोकटी किसी जानी नथला. And who was that person? Mr. Nuttall. Still now, or so far, we came to know about three characters. An aunt, जने खुड़ी of that 15 years old young girl, remember the characters, and Mr. Nuttall, who is suffering from spinal disease. Mr. Nuttall अछंती, तापर से आसिक भेटी क्या यंग गर्ल ऑफ 15 इयर्स ओल्ड गोटे 15 वर्षर बालिका जो 15 वर्षर बालिका पाखरे किए रोचे हर आंट बुझेगा बट द पर्सन मिस्टर न्यूटल डिडंट नो मच अबाउट द आंट ऑफ द यंग गर्ल से यंग गर्ल आंट विषय जानी ना सो व्हेन शी कम्स टू नो दैट द गेस्ट knows nothing about her aunt but her name and address only thing the person knew किए मिस्टर न्यूटल किसी जिनस केवल जानते तांकर आंटी विषय नेम एंड एड्रेस बट द स्टोरी ऑफ हिज हर पास्ट ही डिडंट नो बुझेगा अतीतर कहानी आगर कहानी किसी जानी ना से जस्ट ही हैज कम टू अटेंड दैट पर्सन और टू मीट दैट पर्सन और मीट दैट आंट से आंट को भेटा आक्चुअली बुझेगा The self-possessed young lady, possessed, you can write the meaning of khata pen kado. Self-possessed young lady बोली कहले calm and confident, बुझिएला self-possessed, self-possessed, self-possessed कहले calm and quiet बा confident, बुझिएला CALM काम एंड कॉन्फिडेंट बोले बुझी होची तो काम एंड कॉन्फिडेंट लेडी से थिला एंड सी इज हियर टू नरेट वन ऑफ हर इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी बिफोर दैट स्ट्रेंजर नेम्ड न्यूटल मिस्टर न्यूटल बुझिएला एंड थ्रू हर प्रैंक्स हाउ सी मेड बिफुल बुझिएला द ऑडल्स से किभली लोकों को भोकुआ बनउतला थ्रू द टेक्स्ट वी विल कम टू oh no it is an interesting story written that person ke the young girl who was 15 years old through her trickery through her tricks bujhala she used to make befool others like adults मान को भुकुआ बने करे से माने निजो को अधिक ये करतला थ्रू हर प्रैंक्स तार कौतुकिया कथा माध्यम इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी माध्यम रे से लोक भोकुआ बन पार्ला है एंड एस्पेशली सी यूज टू मेक वी फुल टू द ऑडल्स है सो थ्रू द टेक्स्ट वी विल कम टू नो दैट व्हाट इज द स्टोरी द 4 कैरेक्टर्स आई एम गोइंग टू मेंशन बिफोर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द टेक्स्ट द फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर हियर इज मिस्टर न्यूटल द पेशेंट यू कैन राइट मिस्टर न्यूटल NUTTEL PATIENT Mr. Newtel the patient a young girl named Veera VEERA who was 15 years old in the put it into the bracket लेख 15 वर्षर बालिका गुटे and Mrs. Sapleton hello I am telling you SAPPLETON she is Mrs. Sapleton who is a doctor hello who is a doctor so we came to know about different characters here in the text bujhiala so my aunt will be down presently so the person Mr. Frampton Newtle is suffering from a spinal disease bujhiela and all the efforts of the person was gone in vain bujhiela and he was not feeling well after getting his treatment so finally some of the elders and his sisters suggested him to go to the village which was situated countryside of the town बुझेला टाउन रो बाहर को जाइगर गोटे विलेज रे ट्रीटमेंट नियो बोली करे सजेस्ट कले एंड दे आल्सो गेव अ नेम ऑफ ए पर्सन हैला एंड दे आल्सो कि सम ऑफ द पीपल गेव हिम द एड्रेस एंड द नेम ऑफ दैट डॉक्टर हैला टू गेट द बेटर ट्रीटमेंट फ्रॉम देयर सेठु भलो ट्रीटमेंट पाइबा पई तांकु सेठी सजेस्ट कले लोक माने एंड आल्सो हिज सिस्टर्स बुझेला एंड वन ऑफ हिज सिस्टर gave him address and also gave all the things in detail about Mrs. Sapleton बुझेला Mrs. Sapleton was living in a village and she was there to give treatment to the people those who are suffering from spinal disease बुझेला so she was special, it was her specialty, बुझिएला. So finally what happened, they decided that the person Frampton Newton decided to go to the village to get a treatment. He went to that place and going before going to the chamber, he met a young girl who was 15 years old. 15 ବର୍ଷର ବାଳିକାକୁ ସେ ଭେଟିଲେ, ବୁଝିହେଲା. And the lady or that girl came to know about the person everything in detail, ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଜାଣିଲା. And she also collected the information that the unknown or that stranger Mr. Newton had not known much about her aunt, ତାଙ୍କର ଆଣ୍ଟି ବିଷୟରେ ସେ କିଛି ଜାଣିନାହିଁ. But she knew that the person was a patient and the person has come to that place to get better treatment. So it was the setting, and in the drawing room ବସିଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ, ତାପରେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ଚାଲିଛି. And she was waiting for the aunt, and he said, I want to meet Mrs. Saplerton for better treatment, बुझेला. So this lady, the young girl, was able to tell stories instantly, and she was able to make someone be full. ଜଣକୁ ଭୋକୁଆ ବନେଇବାରେ ମାନେ ହଁ କଳା ଶିଖିଥିଲା. and with through her pranks, ବିଭିନ୍ନ କୌତୁକିଆ କଥା ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ, ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ମଜା ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ she used to tell stories to the different people. ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ ଷ୍ଟୋରିଜ୍ କହିଦେଉଥିଲା, ବୁଝିହେଲା. So କ'ଣ ହେଲା, that young girl showed him the window, ବୁଝିହେଲା. ୱିଣ୍ଡୋ ଦେଖେଇଲା ତାକୁ, କାହାକୁ, Mr. Newton को. Look at the window, ହେଲା. ତାପରେ ଏଇ ଷ୍ଟୋରି କ'ଣ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି, look at the window that the person, the husband of Mrs. Saplerton or her aunt, ତାର husband ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କ ଦୁଇ ଭାଇ, they went for shooting, 2 days of shooting, ବୁଝିଲା. one day of shooting ଯାଇଥିଲେ ସେମାନେ shooting କରିବା ପାଇଁ ବା ଶିକାର ପାଇଁ, with a dog, ଗୋଟେ dog ସହିତ ସେମାନେ ଯାଇଥିଲେ. But we waited them till the end of the day, but they didn't return, ସେମାନେ ଆସିଲେ ନାହିଁ, ବୁଝିହେଲା. So it was a shocking story on the part of us to accept the truth. Who said it? The person or that young girl was saying a story to that stranger named Mr. Frampton Newton, ବୁଝିହେଲା. ତାକୁ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟୋରି କହୁଛି, ବୁଝିହେଲା କି ନାହିଁ, by which she wanted to make him fool. ତାକୁ ଭୋକୁଆ ବନେଇବା ପାଇଁ ବା ବୋକା ବନେଇବା ପାଇଁ ସେଇଭଳିଆ ଗୋଟେ ଟ୍ରିକ୍ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିଛି. And she was telling a story instantly, ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟୋରି କହୁଛି ସିଏ, ବୁଝିହେଲା. ୱିଣ୍ଡୋକୁ ଦେଖେଇକିରି କହୁଛି, look at the window, through that way the husband of my aunt and his brothers with a dog went for 1 day shooting, but they didn't return, ସେମାନେ ଆସିଲେ ନାହିଁ. We waited till the end of the day, but they didn't come, ସେ ଆସିଲେ ନାହିଁ. And in the next day we were bound to accept the truth that they would never return, ସେମାନେ ଆଉ ଆସିବେ ନାହିଁ, ବୁଝିହେଲା. ସେମାନେ କାଦୁଅରେ ପଡ଼ିଯାଇଛନ୍ତି, and that place has been built, ସେ ପ୍ଲେସ୍ଟି କଂକ୍ରିଟ୍ କରାହେଇଯାଇଛି, and they will never come back. So it was a shocking story, ବୁଝିହେଲା.